Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about some items that I have in my skincare routine that I actually didn't realize was Korean. That came from Korea after I did that video about the snail essence. I looked at my beauty cabinet and realized, you have some other things that are from Korea that you actually really like. So I figured I'd sit down and record this video for you. I do have some notes so I can give you some price points on these items. So the first item I absolutely love, and I kind of referenced to an inexpensive eye cream in my Junk Elephant video. And the one I was referring to is by Skin Food Royal Honey. And this retails for $16 on Amazon, but then when I went to the Skin Food website, it was $30. So I would get it off Amazon. I think there is another app called Yes, I believe it's called, that you can get Korean and Japanese skincare and other items there, and it's relatively inexpensive, but you can't pay with a Visa card. You have to pay through PayPal, which that's kind of stuck me in the past because I don't have a PayPal account. I didn't know if I wanted to get one. So this is a very nice feeling product. I like how it has a squeezy tube instead of the pump. I feel like I have more control over what I am squeezing out. So this has, and everything's in Korean, so I can't even tell you what the first ingredient is. But I know it's an anti-wrinkle effect, honey glazed complexion, and has honey extract. It's the moisturizing line. But it's not thick, it's very light. It doesn't really, it kind of has a honey smell to it. Very light, you have to really try to smell. Very light. But I do absolutely love this. So just a little background about honey. I'm sure everybody knows because there's so many different types of honey products out there, but I love anything honey, including honey. So aged honey, so it's aged honey that firms the delicate eye area. So aged honey is in here and it helps firm the delicate eye area. Honey has been a medical property in both Western and Eastern medicine. It's a natural beauty remedy with anti-aging, moisturizing, and antiseptic properties. This, I can use it morning and night. I primarily use this in the morning. It's just what I like to use. It's not heavy. It helps, like, it just feels good, and it wears really well under my foundation and my concealer, so I really love this. And I don't think $15 for an eye cream on Amazon is bad, because eye creams always seem to be really expensive. Even if you buy it from the website, $30 for an eye cream, that's not super expensive. I'm trying to see how much is in this, but everything's on the back side of this is in Korean, and I have no idea what that says. So yeah, moving on. Another item I have is the Emborian Ginseng Milk. So this is supposed to help give you a smoothing effect. This stuff I love. It smells so good. It just smells clean and spa-like is the best way I can describe it. Very fresh. It is a milky consistency. I will put this on all day long. If I'm having like a true no makeup day, I will just go put this on all the time, multiple times a day, because it just feels good. It's very light moisturizing, and it just feels really good. It helps smooth out your skin. I think on Sephora there is a study. Let me see. Yes. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Where is it at? Oh yes, right here. All right, so on Sephora's website, this is what it says this does. And this retails for $27, and it's 6.14 fluid ounces, which I really don't think is that bad at all for that size and for what it feels like. It feels really nice. So it's a milky lotion that is enriched with the moisturizing and smoothing properties of ginseng. Ginseng is very popular in Korean skincare. The ginseng root has been used in Korean skincare because of its smoothing and moisturizing properties. In a consumer use test with 32 recipients, 97% of them said the product immediately helped provide a smoothing effect. 97% out of 32. That ain't bad. That's not a bad statistic. I'm going to pay closer attention next time I use it to see if I see a smoothing effect. I just like the way it makes my skin feel, and how it feels on my skin, like putting it on the way it feels and then how my skin feels afterwards. I truly, truly like it. Another eye cream that I have, and I primarily use this one at night. This one doesn't have a smell. No smell at all. But this one also has it's the Snail Repair Eye Cream by Mizon, M-I-Z-O-N. It's a multi-function formula. So I have some notes on this. So it helps to diminish the look of fine lines and promotes a brightening of dark eye area. So this has the snail secretion in it as well. Now this one, a couple times when I tried to use it, it did give me a tingling sensation. And so I kind of backed off everything. I went to using this one at night because this one's really gentle. And then I tried this again and I didn't get that tingling sensation. So I think my body was reacting to something else I was using. So I kind of pulled everything back and just went to softer, nicer products that I know my body liked. So that is my little bit of Korean skincare dive that I did. Reference back to that started my hunt for things was the Snail Bee High Content Essence. This has the snail secretion and the bee venom, hence the Snail Bee. So yeah, those are the current Korean items that I have that I really, really enjoy and I use every single day, if not twice a day. So that should say something. It's replacing some of my other items that I've used that I've loved forever, like my staple items. But that is my little blip of Korean beauty products that I have currently in my collection. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I am here every Tuesday and Thursday reviewing products for you guys. I hope you find them beneficial and helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.